I'm going to my concert today. I'm going to my concert today. And you can watch me.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
So tonight, Brooklyn has her first ever concert at school, and she's gonna be singing. They have, oh, I have a guest. Okay, your shoes are hurting, mama. So she is gonna be singing a bunch of songs that they've been learning over the year, and it's very exciting because this is her first concert that she's ever had since she's been in school. Since she's only in first grade, I'm sorry, I'm putting on my shoes, no, that's my slipper. Pre-K last year didn't have one, which was weird, but because they're having one this year. So that doesn't make sense to me why they didn't have it last year, but it's exciting, and I am very excited. Brielle's excited.
Me excited.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Good morning, Duck. Hi, bud. Are you enjoying this nor'easter that we're getting? Yeah, look at it snowing out there, bud. See it, Lace? It's snowing. Well, it is now Tuesday and day 2 of this weekly vlog video. So I don't know if I said it last night or not, but we did get a northeaster today. And if you don't know what that is, it's just a big storm that we usually get in the northeast, which is Maine, where I live. And we are getting slammed for the second time in just a little bit over a week ago. We got slammed with 22 inches of snow. Well, we have made it outside, and I don't really want to be out here. It's freezing and it's snowy, but I did want to show you guys kind of what we're dealing with, and I feel like I'm like on the news channel, but holy shit, I can't even look that way. They said on the news we're having blizzard conditions, so I figured it would be worth getting out here to show you. So that's what I'm doing. So follow along. You wanna go visit Mimi? Well, I guess, because we're already here. Look at Crazy Gracie. Okay, go in. Go in. Do you guys see this? It is 2:30 the next day, and it's still snowing outside. You can't really pick up the snow good, but it's snowing pretty heavy. I say we have about 24 inches from this storm, because it was 20 last night and then we got 4 more inches today. I mean, look at this. That playset is covered. I can't believe that. It's ridiculous. Look at that. It's just too much. I'm ready to move south. Who's with me? Okay, I need to reorganize my fridge before I get some groceries tonight, because it is all out of whack and there's probably things in there molding. So I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange what's in there. So now I have all my drinks up here, and then my leftovers right here, eggs, whatever else, and the alcohol. So there's some stuff in there, and yada yada yada. This is all cleaned too. As you can see, I really need to do groceries, but this is the stuff that I threw away. Let's take a look. So some old strawberries. I had an old apple, gross. A box that I didn't need. Hard pepperonis that are like as hard as a rock. Blackberries that are old. Old cheese. Some more old cheese. Some more old cheese. And some more old cheese. And an old avocado. And some old dressing. There's nothing left in here, basically. Nothing. Butter that is like almost gone, but I'm probably gonna put it back in the fridge because I'm getting groceries tonight. Ketchup, and these garlics I got from the dollar store, but I really hate them. I thought they were better than they were. I don't know, but they're gross. All right, so it is like, what time is it? 9:30 on a Wednesday night, and I was just getting ready for bed when my little lady Demi crawled into bed with me. And I don't know if I've introduced you guys to her before, but Demi is my cat that me and Tyler had got when we first moved in together. Actually, no, not when we first moved in together. When we got our first apartment together, we got Demi, and we rescued her from the animal shelter. She wasn't a kitten, but she was not that old. The animal shelter that we live near has free cats that are over a certain age, as long as they're not kittens, I think. So we got her free. So that's who she is. Demi is just our cat, but she is our oldest animal in the house, and it's the first animal that me and Tyler have ever got together. So she is, you know, a big part of our relationship. She was the first animal, the first, you know, it's a big deal. So anyways, enough of that sentimental stuff. Tonight when I got out of the shower, I heard the cats like fighting, and you guys all know Ducky. Ducky's the one that I showed previously, the black one. But yeah, they were fighting, and I noticed Ducky like attacking Demi randomly. Like she will just be sitting on the back of the couch, and Ducky will come up and just like cling on to her and bite her, and he's awful at night, let's just say that. Tonight I got out of the shower and I heard Demi crying, and it was a loud like cry. So I went out, and Ducky was like hanging off from her. So that was just, it just made me angry, because she's such an innocent animal who wouldn't bother you as long as you don't bother her, and he just attacks her all the time for no reason. Like, she doesn't deserve that. So while I was getting ready for bed, I was just hoping that she would come to bed with me. So I was just getting ready to go to bed, and she crawled in bed with me. So I'm happy that she is with me. Not that that's like a big deal to share with you guys, but Ducky can be an asshole. So like if you know him and you like think he's like really cute and innocent, well he's not cute and innocent. He's actually a douchebag. You better now. You better that you're in Mama's bed. Isn't she beautiful? She is beautiful. I love her so much. Hi, BB. Okay, anyways, it's time for bed. I will see you guys in the next clip, which will be Thursday morning. Good night, guys. Mwah. Say hi, Brielle. How is your Thursday going?
Good.
Your Thursday's going good. Awesome. Can you say hello to your friends?
Hello.
No, over here. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Blow them a kiss and say bye.
Bye.
There. Hello, hello, hello. You've made it to Thursday on my weekly vlog. So, okay. Let's start out Thursday by bitching about my dog. Now, my puppy is a puppy, okay? Like, he's a puppy. But I've noticed a couple things in the past few days that have been driving me nuts. He got my shoe, and if I can find it, yeah, okay. So it was my brand new Minnie Mouse shoe that he got, and the closet door was left open. So it's like partially my fault, but at the same time, it's like my shoes are put up top, like up higher, so that this doesn't happen, and he must have jumped up and got it. You can see his teeth marks are all in the heel, and then he broke the back. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get some new ones because this is just not even cute. Like, this is just not okay. Okay, and then the second thing that's been driving me bonkers is I have a, what do you call it? A carpet right there in my spare bathroom, the girls' bathroom. And I've noticed it smells like pee in here, kind of. Like, it's been like, even though I clean it all the time, it smells like there's pee on the floor or something. So I was just taking things up off the floor so that I could mop the floor in case Brielle's had an accident, and I just didn't see it. So while I did that, I picked up this big carpet right here by the sink, and it had a ton of pee spots on the bottom. It was nasty, let's just say that. And then the third thing that's been driving me nuts this week is I've noticed him eating the litter box. Like, he's been eating out of the litter box. And that's just so gross to me. Look, he's doing it again. Wentz! No! No, baby, you can't be eating. Looks like I need to get a covered litter box when I do groceries tomorrow night. That was really loud. That's not really a big deal, but it's just, it's not good that he is eating litter. And I don't even know if the cats are gonna like know how to use it. I mean, I hope they do, because I'm not gonna have them pooping on my floor. But that would be awful if they're pooping all over the floor. So a while ago, I had ordered a backdrop off Amazon, and a backdrop, if you don't know, is just like a cover or just like a piece of fabric or plastic to cover a wall or cover something that you don't want, so that your background is just one theme. So I ordered this off Amazon. This white marble backdrop background, and it is pretty cool. I like it, it's pretty. I've had it hanging up in my bedroom for like almost a month now, and I haven't even used it or made a video with it. So I think I'm gonna go and hang it up again on a blank wall in my room, and then I'll show you how it looks, because I don't even know what it looks like. I haven't even used it. I literally just hung it up in my room, and that was it. That was it. I didn't even do anything with it. So I'm gonna go and do that right now. Woo! Girl, look at this. This is nice. Not my hair, just the backdrop. The backdrop looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. All right, you're gonna lose a gold star.
No.
Okay then, thank you. Hey, Bree, did you know that Uncle Chad used to hang off the table at Mimi's house with his teeth? Did you know that?
Okay.
That Uncle Chad, no. Not gonna be like Uncle Chad.
Kidding.
Oh, you're just kidding. No, that's a corner.
I'm just kidding.
You're just kidding. Okay, well don't do that, because remember what happened when you hit the corner of the table?
Table.
Oh no, you got staples!